related to content creation, whether it is how to edit, whether it is which tools to use, and how to get paid, collabs, and how to earn. And if you're starting new, this is the best series that you need for your content creation journey. Wake up, creator, before it's too late series. Hey Flamingo, welcome back to my channel. This is Vivedika. I hope you are glowing. But wait, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Okay, so if you're starting content creation in 2026, you are already late. I mean, why did you not start before? Just because मैंने ये वीडियो पहले नहीं बनाया? Okay, on a serious note, you are late, but because nobody told you that the rules for content creation have changed. If you feel that making polished videos, being too perfect, being consistent, uploading daily is what content creation and it is what is stopping you from creating content, you are absolutely wrong. Everywhere you look, it's like post daily, follow niche, be confident, stay consistent, use these hooks, copy these viral hooks. This viral hook made my video go viral. Be authentic, and still somehow there is no growth. And then you start thinking like, is it too late to start now? Is it worth starting now? Am I too late? Or what cares? What expensive gears should I use? Is my camera not enough? Should I upgrade my camera? Everybody is talking the same thing. Why is nobody talking about the real stuff? I hit 25k followers on Instagram in December 2025 after being creating content for 4 years. I was stuck at 5k like for 4 years, but then I understood what actually matters and what people are actually looking for and how everything is working. I grew my YouTube, which is the editing channel. It's now at 13k, and it's not just because putting anything random. So there is something behind all this, and applying that works. It's not like everything is perfect. I'm still experimenting, but I'm here to share with you because if you are stuck somewhere, this video, this series acts as a motivation for you to start creating. So this is not a video on how to go viral, okay? This is a series which helps creators to survive content creation in 2026 and keep creating without quitting. This series is for those who are starting new, who are stuck somewhere, need motivation, who need ideas, who need help on few topics, any journey in their content creation. Also, few creators who have big ideas but low views, less views, and they're just figuring out. To be very honest, if you're looking for a quick fame, this is not for you. But if you're here for a long term, this is the right place you are. So, this was just to build a community of all the content creators who relate to this video. In the next videos, we'll see how we can grow together. So, subscribe because you are going to build yourself up, and at the end of the series, everything will be changed, and that's very important. So, see you in the next video. I have another channel जहाँ मैं editing के videos और tutorials regularly upload करती हूँ. So you can subscribe to that channel.